we're going to the mall. Yeah. This guy's going parasailing. Woo! Ella, you're going parasailing talaga? You're not afraid? Okay, let's go.
Sir, local food yun, sir.
Oh, really?
Oh, luto na siya.
Okay. Yeah, tama-tama naghanap kami ng breakfast na mura lang eh. Magmamakdo sana kami eh.
Maya hanggang 11 yung high tide. Pag gusto mo maligo, dito kayo pumunta sa Bulabog Beach.
Oh, sa Bulabog
Sir,
Beach.
Southwest monsoon kasi malakas ang tawag dito.
Alon.
You want me to speak in English?
Yeah, go
Because
ahead.
This time around, it's the southwest monsoon. The wind is coming from the west, so
Yeah.
most tourists they come to the other side of the island.
Oh, okay. So, like, how can we get to Bulabog Beach?
You have to walk.
Just
very close
walk.
to my restaurant, it takes 1 minute to get there.
All right,
I
okay.
can see you the way.
Okay, so like the sand is the same as like this one?
Yes, but the weather in Bulabog it's much more
Calmer?
Yep.
Okay. All right.
Uy, wala. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, beautiful Bulbul. Oh, kasama ako magtugtog? Oo, gamit ka. Oh, sige. Busy pa ako sa mga bata. Nagtugtog ko ako. At saka tubig. Kumakanta din ako. Kami.
Oh, really? Is that your bandmates?
We play tribal music, sir.
Oh, nice.
Pag hapon naman, 6 p.m. Diyan po kami nagtitraining, sir.
Where?
Dito, kita mo yan. Diyan kami nagtitraining ng mga boxer ko.
Oh, really?
Mamaya,
Nice.
6 p.m. sir.
Oh, well, can we watch?
Sure, why not?
Oh,
Mamaya
okay.
po.
Yeah.
6 p.m. po yung training namin.
Okay.
Dito tayo mo. Ayun yung sir, sa akin sir. Yung maraming puno sir, yung maraming puno.
Okay.
Dito din yung window.
Oh, okay. Nice. Local sari-sari store, Ella. That's the local sari-sari store. It calls the sari-sari store.
Kasi ang mabigla
Oh, wow.
Maya pa kasi yung ibang luto namin.
It's okay,
Breakfast pa
sir.
lang. Yung lunch namin, marami tayong ulam, sir.
My God. Ice egg, hot dog. That will do.
Maya pa kasi yung ulam.
Oh, okay. Sir, thank you very
Wala
much.
problema po.
Oh. Oh, which one do you want, guys?
Paksiw na tayo. Oh, paksiw na isda.
Yeah.
Bagong
Pwede kayo dito, pwede kayo dyan.
Yeah. Maybe inside. Local.
Dito sir, makakapit talaga kayo sir sa amin sir.
Kaya nga, baka tomorrow dito ulit kami.
Pwede kayo magpaluto sa amin.
Pwede rin.
Dalawa kasi yung pagkain ko. Ito sir, may 1 minute sir. Ito,
Okay.
itong local pod, sila po nagluluto. Yung mas masarap yung sa akin sir, yung seafoods ko, ako nagluluto niyan.
Oh, yeah, Josh. Okay.
Oh.
Like, is the seafood like the price is
Very cheap sir.
very cheap?
Same. Yung rice ko, ganun pa rin, 15 pesos pa rin.
Alright, okay.
Kung yung seafoods ko, halimbawa, yung prawns ko, 1/4 siya, 1 kilo na yon.
Okay.
Nasa 30 to 35 pieces, luto na siya.
Okay,
Malalaki
okay.
siya, ganito kalaki.
Okay.
O doon yung sa beach, 4,000, 3,000
I
yung sa
know.
akin, sir. 30 to 35 pieces yung ibibigay ko.
Okay.
Before you eat it, you have to count it.
Alright, okay. Okay. Thank you. Eat like a local. Like Kuya Kurt. Kuya Kurt is YouTuber that always like eat carinderias. This is my breakfast. Nice. Good, my love? Oh. So what's the gulay? Kangkong? What are you eating?
Menudo.
Oh, masarap ba?
Yeah, with atay.
Sak, menudo ka din? Ella, egg ka lang? Try the fish, oh. Masarap yung fish.
I have caramella. Saan po? Diba? Yung red.
Okay. Ella, you want taho? I have.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, Montreal. Eh, di mga, ano nga, French sila. Oo, bonsoir. Oo. Yung ano ko, sir, yung panganay ko. Yan. Nag-aaral sa French Immersion School. Yeah. Ito, si Ella.
Ilan ba lang po, sir?
Dalawa lang, yung baby tsaka to. Ito, mga pamangking ko.
Kami o yan lang. Mayaman yan lang.
Breakfast. Now we're going to Balagbag Beach or Bulabog Beach? Bulabog. Oh, dito pala may laundry. Okay. Kasha, oh naman. Okay. It's the island life. Oo nga. Palinis na yan. Where are you going? Your dad, you keep bringing me to places that I don't know. Are you okay? Papa. We're going to the other side of the beach. Okay, let's see. Oh, I can see the beach now. Oh, it's much more calmer here.
There's no people in.
There's no people. Nice.
Oh, Tito, you can take a picture there.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, look, there's no waves.
Coming from the west.
Sir, can you give me a high five, sir?
Ay, thank
Ang
you.
lupit mo talaga, sir.
Yan,
Idol
pwede.
kita.
May dindahin ko po na dito. Dalawa. Pwede niya magpapicture dyan. Dalawa yan.
Ah. Oh, wow. Yeah, over there, it's like the wave is like really angry.
Maganda dun sa trio.
Yeah. Yeah.
Isa doon kasi crowded doon eh.
Okay.
Pwede kayo mo po doon.
All right, thank you. Nice.
I want to see that.
Parang dito ano si Ate Aileen.
Nag. No, he's just there. Hi! Sasama ka ba? Para sailing?
Yes.
Pero
Lady.
Pero taga-picture lang?
Yes.
If I fall, will you save me?
I'll call my friend.
Wow.
Do you know how to swim, Ella?
I'll be your moral support. You can do it, Ella.
Then I'll
Just one more.
Mami, yung kamay mo, nakaganyan lang. Ito lang kamay.
Don't cry, ah.
No, Ella is more of a adrenaline rush lady.
Adrenaline junkie.
Outfit, ano pa ba? Di pa ba
May dress
outfit?
po sana ako.
Ah, gano'n? May para sailing kami, sir. Thank you. Okay, you guys ready? Man, this is going to be exciting. There's Kuya, so Kuya will take us to the boat, and then these teenagers and Fido Ella will go para sailing.
Ako, ano lang po ako sa... Kasama po ba dito yung chat ko?
Okay. Oh, Ma'am Nella. Good luck, okay? Be safe. Enjoy para sailing. But you're gonna run for it. He's gonna push you. So this is your boat.
Perfect look sa dulo.
Yeah. So kuha naman sila ng maganda.
Yes.
Alright.
Okay lang, parang siyempre nagulit na kulit. Okay, so yun ba sila?
No, sila.
Pwede ka sumama doon, sir.
Pwede ba ako sumama? Oo, sige, sama na ako. Okay.
Kayo lang naman eh.
Oh yeah, it's okay. After we come back.
Para sir?
Ito mag-isa na doon si Tita Julie.
Yeah. Oh, Ella. Woo! Ina, dapat sumama ka. Ella, tapang mo. You're really going to para sailing? Cancel na lang kaya natin. No?
Ako na lang daw dito.
Ah, talaga ba?
Ano? Next mo si Silke. Woo! What? Ay, picture kita. Hawigin mo yung buhok ko. Habang na kaya, habang na tayo sa buhok ko. Before. Forget the phone after.
touch the metal, okay? Alright, Josh. We want you to be back in Canada in one piece, alright? Okay. No, only one. There's no negotiation. Ella! Oh! Yeah! Oh my God! Si Jaylin nagpa-paddle boarding. My island girls.
Are we having people that shooting?
We'll see.
Yeah, good job. Oh, let her touch. Touch.
Touch.
Siya na daw bumagal.
So you want to paddle for me?
It was so awesome that she started drooling.